will learn how to delete TikTok video. So let's begin.
So to delete a TikTok video, the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you're on Android. So what you need to do is first make sure that you are connected with the internet. That would help you to go through the process. So once you are connected with the internet, simply go and open your TikTok app. So here we go. So once it is open, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. Once you tap on this, you would be able to see all of your videos that you have made. You, in case if you're not seeing it, simply go and tap on uh, these three six lines, short lines. Simply go and tap on this, and you would be able to see all the videos that you have made. So if you want to delete any of the videos, simply go and tap on that particular video, and it would start playing. So what you need to do is simply go and tap on these three dots at the right, that is second from the bottom. So if you tap on this would appear. In some of the cases, you might be able to see some of the social media icons as well here. So tap on this. Now if you swipe left, you would be able to swipe right, you would be able to see the delete button. Tap on delete, and it says, are you sure you want to delete? Confirm, and the video has been deleted, as you can see. So hope it has helped you in deleting the TikTok video on Android as well as iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.